Hello friends, I'm thrilled to reconnect with you after a short break. Over the past few months, I've been working on an exciting project, a comprehensive course that is now live on Udemy. The course is titled Harmonic Patterns Algorithmic Trading with Python using Binance and Bybit exchanges plus CCXT. I'm excited to share this with you because of the growing interest and opportunities in the cryptocurrency market, driven by its dynamic price movements and the potential for both bullish and bearish trends. This course is designed for traders and developers who want to master algo trading using harmonic patterns in Python. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this course equips you with actionable skills to trade confidently in both spot and future markets. The ultimate goal of this course is to guide you in creating and running a trading board based on harmonic pattern strategy using Python, specifically optimized for spot and futures trading on platforms like Binance and Bybit. We also deploy the bot in the cloud using Amazon AWS for seamless execution. Harmonic patterns are a powerful tool in financial markets, but they can be challenging to dictate manually due to the effort required. This course removes that challenge by teaching you how to automate the detection and execution of trades with Python. In this course, you will discover the power of harmonic patterns in predicting market movements, learn what harmonic patterns are, why they are crucial, and how to identify various patterns such as Gartley pattern, Cypher pattern, butterfly pattern, the crab pattern, the deep crab pattern, the bat pattern, the alternate bat pattern, the shark pattern, the white swan, and the black swan pattern. You will master Python, a versatile programming language essential for building, implementing, and automating the harmonic pattern strategy. Familiarize yourself with Binance and Bybit exchanges, exploring their APIs to retrieve market data, execute trades, and manage account programmatically. Utilize CXT, a powerful cryptocurrency trading library, to interact with Binance and Bybit and implement the harmonic pattern strategy. Delve into the nuances of spot and futures trading, understanding their unique characteristics and how to apply the harmonic pattern strategy effectively in both markets. You will also integrate your trading bot with Telegram for real-time updates and run it in the cloud using Amazon AWS. Practice in both live and simulated environments, including paper trading, to refine your skills and test strategy risk-free. This course is your one-stop solution to mastering harmonic patterns and algo trading. Ready to get started? Use the Udemy promotional link in the description below to enroll and unlock the full potential of algo trading. Using these links ensures a seamless enrollment process and helps me stay connected with you for updates and support throughout your learning journey. I look forward to welcoming you to the course and seeing how it transforms your trading journey. Let's succeed together.